Right, so I just want to do a follow-up on my previous videos. This is my old Dewalt biscuit joiner. It works absolutely fine, you know, no problem at all. But I wanted to go cordless to use it on site, so Makita were my number one choice. That's why I went with it. Plus I didn't have any Dewalt batteries, and I found it's not quite to my liking. You know, it's perfectly made, just like Makita always do, but it's got this depth setting. These two, by the way, are practically the same, so I'll put that to the side. You know, you've got your depth setting just like this one. You know, you can move that up and down, same as that. But to do plunge cuts, you've got to literally take this thing off. I'd either lose that, break it, damage it, something. So you can do your plunge cut. And with this thing off, you have this thing, but there's no depth setting on there. So quite often I'm doing like the ends of boards, then I'm putting uprights in, and I might be doing some more where I'll be doing ends again and then uprights. I'll be, you know, backwards and forwards between these two settings. But any depth setting you've got, you have to literally put it down on there. You know, that is set, I don't know if I said this, that is set at an 18mm. There's no depth adjustment at all. That's it, it's fixed at 18mm. So what if let's say I was doing 20mm boards where I wanted a 10mm depth. This one, you know, I can set that to whatever I want. Let's put it right up here. Let's say I'm doing it like that. I can lift that up, do my plunge cuts, flip it back down, and I've still got that depth. Like I said, this one, you lose that depth as soon as you take that off. You're limited just to that. Without the batteries, similar weight. The Makita's slightly shorter, similar weight, but this, you know, it's quite a fat handle. It just feels a bit clunky. The Dewalt just feels better, you know. I don't know why. I think that's annoying. But yeah, I wasn't happy with the Makita. That's why not long after buying that, I put it to one side, swallowed my pride, and had to buy the Dewalt battery and another charger. So yeah, that is the reason why I swapped almost immediately from that to that. Got two now, three. And I know that might sound, I don't know, trivial, but when you're on site, you know, you want as minimal things as possible. And like I say, this thing, I don't have the patience to be taking that thing on and off and on. And I'd lose it.